Holy macaroni, that was hard. Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna be doing a lower body toning, tightening, like bar style workout at home in my living room. No equipment. So you can do this actually like anywhere you want. You can even go to the gym and do this if you wanted to. I think it's important to switch it up because sometimes going to the gym every single day can get boring. I mean, let's be real. So, I mean, I think it's fun to do outside workouts, you know, keep it fresh, keep it fun, go to the park. I mean, it's literally snowing outside, so we won't be going to the park, but you know what I'm saying. It's fun to switch things up. And I always like to deliver fun, new, creative workout ideas for you guys so things don't get boring. So get ready to sweat because this may not look hard, but honey, it's so hard. I sweat my booty off last time I did this. So let's get to it. Okay.
Hey guys, welcome to my at-home workout circuit, EMOM style. This is for beginners, advanced, whoever. I have definitely found that when I incorporate this into my week, that it has helped me lose inches from my thighs and tone and tighten up my whole entire lower body. I mean, the fat just literally melts right off and it'll tone up your butt. You'll love the results. Okay, so starting the very first exercise, you want to have your feet nice and wide in a sumo position. Toes are slightly pointed out, and you're just going to simply lift one heel up, and then you're going to squat down. Your hips are going to press into the back of the room like you're sitting into an invisible chair, and then you're going to press right back up again, putting your heel down to the ground again. Make sure that your back is totally flat, your core is pulled into your spine, and you slightly hinge forward just a little at the hip as you squat back into that invisible chair. Exhale as you press up, inhale as you come down into your squat. Okay, here we go. Find a wall or a door handle or a tree or I don't know, whatever you can find to hold on to. You're going to get as close as you can to that object and you're going to get into that nice sumo position once again. Get up on those toes, lift those heels as high as you possibly can. Make sure your knees stay behind your toes. Try to turn those knees out to the side as much as you possibly can. You're going to sit back into your invisible chair once again, pulling your belly button into your spine. Squeezing your glutes to start, and then squeezing as you come down into your squat, and then pulling your thighs together, drawing them in and upward. Everything comes together nice and tight as you stand up to straight. Make sure that you are resisting on the downward motion and on the upward motion. Make sure you do not put those heels down the whole entire time. Try to keep your torso nice and tall. Chest is lifted to the sky. Shoulders are back and down. You got this. I know you can do it. Come on, breathe through it. Okay, let's get it. Next one. Heels are together, toes are apart. Stand nice and close to that door or whatever you are using. Pull that tummy into your spine and you're going to sit straight down and slightly back. So you're just using that door handle as a guide. You are not hanging on for dear life. So really use your glute muscles, your inner and your outer thighs to squeeze up and down. You're almost like imagining like you're drawing yourself up and down on a piece of string. If you do have knee issues, you do not have to go down as far. So just make sure that you are sitting your hips back and down instead of coming forward. And this will take a lot of pressure off of your knees as well. If you do have knee issues and this is hurting, then just go ahead and put your heels down and you can do this motion with your whole entire foot flat on the ground. It is okay that your knee goes slightly over your toe with this exercise. Just really focus on keeping your glutes nice and tight, and all of the weight is being transferred in your glutes and your thighs instead of your knees. Woo, that was a good one. Okay, let's go into the next exercise for this beginner's workout circuit. This is no equipment, of course, but if you're feeling super fancy, then grab a weight, and you can hold a weight with this exercise right here. If you're advanced, go for it. Okay, come back into your lunge position, and you're going to tap the ground and then come into a curtsy lunge. So you're just going back and forth, tapping straight back and then slightly crossing over into your curtsy lunge tap. Again, you're slightly hinging forward at the hip, pulling that tummy into your spine, keeping it nice and tight. Squeeze that glute the whole entire time. Yes, honey, this is going to burn. I was dying right here. I think I have a pretty good poker face, I'm guessing, because when I say I'm dying, I don't really look like I'm dying that often, but I am. Stay low the whole entire time. Keep all of the pressure in that stabilization leg and foot, in the heel, big toe, and second toe. You got this. Stick with it. You'll be so happy you did when you're done. I will also link some other really great toning and tightening workouts in the links below in the description and also in the cards above, so that you can have some other ideas too. All right, so for this next exercise, we're going to get into our lunge position once again. Oh, there goes my cat. She just loves hanging out with me. She's wondering what the heck I'm doing. I usually work out in my basement, but the lighting up here is a little better. So a lunge position, once again, you're reaching back nice and long with that leg, and then you're coming up and tapping right behind that opposite foot, but with feet hip width apart. So you're staying nice and low the whole entire time, squeezing your glutes, squeezing those thighs, pulling your belly button into your spine, staying low. Okie dokie, here we go. Booty toning time. Ooh, okay, kickbacks here from the door. You're gonna go ahead and hold on to that door. Your heels are gonna come together. Point that toe out to the side, knees out to the side, and you're just gonna press back and squeeze your glutes. Tighten it up the whole entire time. So as you bring that leg back in, you're gonna squeeze those inner thighs together. Pretend like something's drawing them together. Pull that tummy into your spine, tighten it up. Each time you exhale your breath, pull it in even more. Every time you inhale your breath, pull that core in even more. So a visual I like to tell my clients is we want our tummies to be like a slice of bread and not a loaf of bread. So don't let your abdominals pop out when you breathe. Try to pull that tummy in and keep it flat the whole entire time, breathing through your lungs and not your stomach. So you want a slight bend in your knee here. You don't want to lock anything out. And as you press that leg back, make sure that your back stays flat and that you don't extend your lower lumbar spine into a over exaggerated C curve. So as you can tell, nothing is moving except for my leg, that femur bone basically in that hip socket. That's the only thing that's moving. Okay, let's work on some calves here. We can't neglect the calves, right? Okay, so again, come into your V position with your feet. Your heels are together, your toes are out, knees are slightly bent. And we're gonna go ahead and come up onto our toes, come back down to our heels, press our leg back, kick back here, just like we did at the door. Remember to keep our back nice and straight. Again, the only thing that's moving right here is that leg in the hip socket. I think it's super important to be able to do just basic functional body movements And this is what this workout is. As you get better and more athletically conditioned, you can always add weights, but being able to just lift up onto your toes and be able to squat down is just so important. Not only does it tone and tighten your whole body and melt fat, but it's going to help you when you get older. Okay, 2 more exercises. Here's a little calf circuit for you. We're gonna go ahead and put our heels together, toes out, knees are slightly bent. We're just gonna come up onto our toes and back down again, and then you're gonna switch. Everything is straightforward. Feet are hip width apart, and you're just gonna come straight up on your toes here. Squeeze your butt the whole entire time. Pull that core into your spine, and then you're gonna switch your foot position once again. Your toes are gonna be together, heels are out, knees are bent a little bit more here, and you're just gonna press up onto your toes. So I have to say, a quick little at-home body style bar or Pilates workout is really gonna help you in general in life with everything. And incorporating weights weekly has helped me get even stronger. You can't just lift heavy weights forever. Strength training is very important, but for most of the population, lifting super heavy weights for years and years and years is really gonna break down your body. So, I mean, these types of exercises are really gonna benefit you in the future. I promise you will thank me. Okay, last exercise. Yay. Okay, so hamstrings. Oh my gosh, I love doing hamstrings. So nice wide stance here. Sumo position, toes are pointed outward. We're gonna stand up nice and tall. Knees are slightly bent. All the pressure is in our heels, mostly, but a little big toe and second toe. You're going to reach forward nice and long. Press those hips to the back wall. So you're not falling forward, you're just slightly tilting forward, but your hips are shooting back. So really press into that heel as you press back to the back wall. You're going to inhale as you press back, exhale, come up to straight. Make sure that squeezing your glutes as you come back and squeezing them as you come in. Now make sure that you're not doing a hip thrust forward. You're just standing to straight and tightening everything up and squeezing as much as you possibly can. Your back stays nice and flat. Core is pulled into your spine. Knees are slightly bent. Everything is squeezing. This looks easy, but if you really focus on the muscle to mind connection and what body parts you're actually working, ooh, you are going to start sweating some bullets, because I sure was right here. Finish this exercise out nice and strong and you are done. Yay, I'm so proud of you. You are awesome. I believe in you. You can do it. Have an amazing day and I'll see you soon. Bye.
Holy macaroni, that was hard. Oh my gosh. The resisting against the opposite way you're pulsing. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna be sore, which it's a good thing, but I hope that you enjoyed that workout. It was really good. Try it out. Let me know how you liked it, what you thought. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, you know the routine, and I will see you next time. And don't forget to comment below what you want to see in my videos in the future, because I am here for you guys. I couldn't do this without you, and I like to know what you think, so let me know. Okay.